If you say these 6 compliments, you'll captivate any woman instantly. Did you know that a single sentence can completely change how a woman perceives you? The right words, when used with authenticity and thoughtfulness, can spark attraction and create a lasting impression. Today, I'm going to share 6 powerful compliments that will not only help you attract women, but also project the confidence and presence they genuinely seek in a man. These phrases aren't magical, but trust me, when delivered with sincerity, they have the power to reshape how women see you and how you connect with them. Stick with me until the end, because I'll show you how to use these 6 compliments effectively and start seeing results today. Before we dive in, take a moment to show your support. Hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. By doing this, you're not only encouraging me to create more valuable content, but also helping the algorithm share this message with others who need it. Can I count on your like? Let's get started. 1. That fragrance you wear is addictive. It smells amazing. This compliment is unique because it goes beyond the obvious. Most people don't notice or comment on a woman's fragrance, and that's what makes this so special. When you say this, you're acknowledging a small detail that others might overlook, and it shows that you're attentive. But more than that, it taps into something deeper. Our sense of smell is strongly tied to memory and emotion. When you tell her her fragrance is addictive, you're not just saying it smells nice. You're letting her know that her presence lingers with you, leaving a lasting impression. It's subtle but sensual, showing her that she captivates you in a way that's unique. This kind of compliment goes beyond the surface and makes her feel unforgettable. Try it and watch how her eyes light up. Women love to feel noticed for the little things, and this simple phrase carries more weight than you might expect. 2. You have a smile that brightens anyone's day. This is a classic compliment, but its power lies in its authenticity. A smile is one of the most genuine, natural expressions a person can share, and when you highlight that, it resonates on a deeper level. When you tell her that a smile brightens others' days, you're doing more than acknowledging her looks. You're appreciating the energy and positivity she brings to those around her. It's a compliment that feels good to give and, even better, to receive. It's also pressure-free, making it a perfect way to connect. This phrase tells her that she has a warm, inviting presence, something everyone loves to hear. If you use this line, it won't just make her feel good, it'll make you stand out as someone who sees her true value. 3. I love how real you are. You're not trying to fit in or pretend. This phrase hits differently because it dives into something we all value: authenticity. When you tell a woman that you admire how genuine she is, you're sending a message that you see her for who she really is, without filters or pretenses. In a world where many people feel the need to conform or hide parts of themselves, being told that she doesn't have to pretend around you is incredibly freeing. This kind of compliment creates a sense of safety and acceptance. You're letting her know that she can be unapologetically herself with you, and that's a rare gift. It's a connection builder, showing her that you value her for more than just surface qualities. You're appreciating her essence, and that kind of validation is unforgettable. 4. Your way of seeing things fascinates me. It makes me think about so much. This is a compliment for her mind, and it's one of the most powerful ways to connect on a deeper level. By telling her that her perspective fascinates you, you're showing genuine interest in how she thinks and interprets the world. It's not just about agreeing with her ideas, it's about appreciating the unique way she views life. This kind of acknowledgement is rare, and it makes her feel truly seen. People love to be appreciated for their intellect and their ability to make others think, and this phrase captures that perfectly. By expressing that her thoughts challenge or inspire you, you're setting yourself apart from those who only focus on surface-level attraction. You're showing that you're interested in building a meaningful connection. 5. I admire the dedication and effort you put into what matters to you. It's inspiring. When you compliment a woman's dedication, you're not just noticing what she does, you're acknowledging who she is. This phrase lets her know that you see the hard work and passion she puts into the things that are important to her. Everyone wants their efforts to be noticed, and this compliment hits home because it highlights her character. By valuing her determination, you're telling her that you respect not just her goals, but also the effort she puts into achieving them. This kind of compliment goes beyond admiration. It builds a deeper bond by showing that you value the things that matter most to her. 6. I've noticed how you make others feel good. It's something I really admire. This final phrase is all about acknowledging her positive impact on others. When you tell her that you've noticed how she makes people feel, you're highlighting a trait that not everyone takes the time to see. This compliment tells her that she has a unique ability to create a positive atmosphere, something that's deeply appreciated. It's personal, meaningful, and shows that you're paying attention to the little things that make her special. Everyone loves to know they're making a difference, and this phrase shines a light on her kindness and warmth in a way that's impossible to ignore. Why these compliments work? Each of these compliments taps into something deeper than physical appearance. They highlight qualities that women value in themselves, but might not often hear acknowledged. They're thoughtful, genuine, and show that you're paying attention to who she is as a person. When you use these phrases, you're not just giving her a moment of validation. You're creating a connection that goes beyond the surface. Women are drawn to men who see them for who they truly are, and these compliments help you do just that. Take action. Now that you have these 6 powerful compliments, it's time to put them into practice. Try them out and notice the difference in how women respond to you. These phrases aren't about manipulation. They're about building authentic connections based on mutual respect and understanding. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Your support not only motivates me to keep creating content like this, but also helps others discover it. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Which compliment are you most excited to try? How have these phrases worked for you? Let's continue the conversation and grow together. Remember, this isn't just about saying the right things. It's about becoming the best version of yourself. So start today and watch how these small changes can transform your connections and your life.